Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about Salsify. I can hear you saying salsa what? This, Salsify. So basically what is it? It looks like a bit of a dirty root, doesn't it? Yes, it does, but don't be fooled by its looks. It's really nice and sweet root vegetable. And I think it's really underrated. I wanted to introduce this to you in case you don't know it. And people often ask, is it related to burdock? It looks like sort of burdock root, doesn't it? No, they are not related. Burdock root, it's more sort of woody. This is more fibrous. And this is actually a member of dandelion family. And what you can do with it and how you can actually prepare it. Give it a good wash, scrub it gently, cut the ends off, and there are two ways how to prepare it. You can either peel it and get rid of the skin, but it oxidizes. So have some lemon water prepared so you can just put it in to stop the oxidizing process. Alternatively, you can leave the skin on and cut it into sort of cinnamon sticks sizes and put it either into boiling water or you can steam it. Boil it for a tiny bit so you can make it softer, so you can pierce a fork through, but it's not too soft. Then stop the steaming or boiling process, put it into cold water, and you should be able to peel the skin with your fingers really easily. And afterwards you can cut it into tiny pieces and just put it into frying pan with some butter, some salt and pepper, and that's it. You can enjoy it as a side snack or with your lunch, whatever you like to do with it. Or you can make some like sort of a creamy sauce. The imagination is endless. And I think I'm gonna try the method where I leave the skin on and try to rub it off with my fingers afterwards. And what I'm thinking, with these tops, I will sort of cut it here and I will try to regrow it. I think I keep something inside to regrow the greens, and maybe I will stick something into the ground to see whether I will get more out of these. These ones were bought from 𝗦𝗵𝗹-𝘀𝗲𝗵, so I always order organic veg box every week, and I wanted to try this one for ages, so finally I came around to it. And I just wonder myself, can I regrow it? I hope the answer would be yes. Okay, now I'm gonna get rid of the ends and cut it into sort of cinnamon sticks sizes, and I will steam it. Look how nice and white it is inside. Okay, this is what I've got, and I'm gonna steam it now. And I am keeping the tops to try to regrow them. Steaming time! Here we are. It's going straight to the cold water. And I'm gonna rub the skin off now. You can see it's going off really easily. Ta-da! Okay, and I managed to scrub it off in the cold water, and this is what it looks like. So it was pretty much easy to do, and I'm gonna slice it thinly and put it in the frying pan now. Okay, here we are, and I'm gonna fry it now. I already tasted some and they are delicious. It's really nice and sweet flavor. And I just wanted to show you what it looks like when you don't use the lemon water, so it oxidizes like that. And if you ask me whether it's worth the effort, my answer is definitely yes. It's so nice and tasty. So this will be my winter staple for sure. This is simply delicious and amazing. I'm gonna keep some for later, and some plain things are wonderful. It's just amazing as it is. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning for me, 100%. So this is one of my new staples. Do you use this weird root yourself? And I can see this can make like really nice creamy soup as well. So I'm gonna make some recipes. If you've got some, let me know in the comments below. I am really curious to know what else I can do with this amazing root vegetable. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now, leave me some comments, spread some love, share with your friends and family. And that's all from me, from my hand to your hand. Bye until next time.